Welcome to Summer Reading Club Mission 4, In the Dark. Today we'll be making our own constellations and star shadow puppets. Let's go! You are going to need black construction paper, a My Constellation sheet, electrical tape, bamboo sticks, popsicle sticks, scissors, some kind of decoration. I'm going to use black mesh, and a pencil. We're going to start with the My Constellation sheet. Using your pencil, add between 5 and 10 dots randomly on the page, which will serve as the inspiration for your constellation. The arrangement of stars on my page has given me the inspiration to draw a snail. The random arrangement of stars on your page is different than mine, so it's likely that you'll end up drawing a different animal or monster than me. His name will be Jonathan the Snail. I'm now going to fill in the setting, conflict, and resolution to Jonathan's story. Again, your constellation is different than mine, so you'll have to come up with your own original story. I also added some pictures. If you're interested in Jonathan's story, feel free to pause the video and read it now. Now we're going to transfer our large picture of Jonathan onto the black construction paper. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't really pick up the pencil, but you'll have no problem seeing it when you try it yourself at home. Once you finish sketching, you can begin cutting your monster out. Now it's time to sketch in details using the pencil. You can use the pencil to punch holes in order to make it easier to cut your details out. Now it's time to cut. At this point, you can add any decorations that you have. I'm going to add black mesh to Jonathan's shell. I'm going to use electrical tape to secure it in place. At this point, I'm going to use the bamboo sticks and popsicle sticks to help reinforce any floppy parts of my puppet. Use a lot of reinforcement, but try to remember to save at least one bamboo stick to use as a handle for your puppet. If you have any extra construction paper, you can use it to cut out add-ons for your original puppet or make environmental pieces like me. As you can see, I've made some grass, a tree, and a cloud. And you're done! Find a dark room with a strong single light source and make your puppet come to life. Make sure to check out the other video for Mission 4, which will teach you how to make your own space soundtrack.